award honors and celebrates the artists who have enriched a cultural significance, raised cultural awareness, and may have an excellent contribution in propagation and promotion of the Filipino culture and traditions into their performances. And the 10th P-Pop Music Awards Cultural Excellence Award goes to One Sound.
Rising from the South, we are One Sound.
Isa lang po kaming simpleng performer from South Cotabato. And nire-represent na po namin yung Mindanao. And nandito na po kami ngayon on stage at nasa harapan po ng mga P-pop idols.
Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino! Mabuhay ang talentong Pinoy! Ang larangan para sa lupang sinilangan.
Mabuhay Mindanao, this is Mindanao Times. I'm Ian, an intern from Philippine Women's College of Davao.
And I am John Dablo, intern from Davao del Sur State College.
So you see, Mindanao is not just a melting pot of culture, heritage, and tradition, but we also excel in creativity, most especially in the music industry. So karon makauban na to ang first and the only Mindanao P-pop group to win Cultural Excellence Award at the last 10th P-pop Music Awards at Metro Manila. So, dili na to padugayon pa. Please welcome One South!
Hi! Rising from the South, we are One South! Hello guys, I am Jace.
Hello guys, I am Dre. Hello everyone, I am Rover. Mayong hapon everyone, I am RV.
Hello guys, I am Jeff.
And once again, we are
One South.
Right?
Yes.
So, congrats pala guys sa
Thank you,
last
bro.
na award. You really brought so much pride to Mindanao, and we are so proud of you. So, diba, just recently we celebrated Luau Davao. So, how was your experience? Nakalag ba mo? Nabawa yung mga naatuan?
Yes po, pumunta po kami nung opening nila and nasali pa po kami dun sa parang photo op po. Parang kasi pumunta po. I-invite din po kami doon. And masaya po, sobrang saya. Sobrang makita mo talaga yung kung anong meron kayamanan yung Davao. Sobrang ganda, sobrang ganda.
I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung experience niyo dito sa Davao, and I hope na magbalik-balik gyapon mo diri at to celebrate with us sa mga events because diba naka-perform mo sa araw ng Davao?
Yes po.
Yes, and we're grateful na nakabalik mo diri for Luau Davao. So,
So this question goes for Jace, no, as a leader kanang ginaunsa nimo pag-handle ang mga challenges nga maabot sa grupo, and then for the rest of you ginaunsa nimo pag-support si Jace all throughout the hardship.
Yeah. Thank you for that question there. Yeah, of course, challenges is inevitable and erratic, you know. And despite the circumstances, you know, kailangan talaga i-handle through time management and yun, paano lang, intindihin mo lang yung kagrupo mo. It's because you handle them, yung iba-ibang behavior. Yeah, it's natural. So, all you need to do is to, bantayan sila, i-guide sila.
Yan, sa part naman po namin, yan. Yung pag-support namin kay Jess, kasi minsan, pag gumagawa siya ng kanta, hindi namin siya na-istorbo. Kaya, yung leader namin mismo, parang itatap ka niya lang if kailangan niya talaga ng tulong. So, kami, support lang. Ginagawa namin yung part namin kung ano yung hindi siya nasasagabal sa niya.
It all comes down with you need to know.
Yes.
and also becoming a great leader kasi syempre as a group kayo nag-perform, and it's really important na the leader takes the lead in the initiative, and then as a group, as members, nag-follow talaga, and it really shows sa mga performances ninyo because I have seen your performances online.
Yeah.
So, you recently released Galak and Hiyaw on Spotify, and I've seen na Hiyaw is your most popular song, and napaminaw na ko siya personally, and it's really nice kay very Pinoy pride kayo siya paminawon. Yes, so could you tell us about your experience creating the songs?
Yun nga, yung experience ko as a songwriter. Yun nga, kino-compose ko siya habang humiga sa kwarto, and at the same time para syempre yung natural lang yung writer's block as a songwriter. So natutulog din minsan, tapos yung natutulog na ako, napanaginipan ko yung melodic pattern niya. So doon ko nabuo yung Hiyaw, and then na-come up po siya, it's because of P-pop and sa lahat ng athletes dito. Kung as you can, yung narinig nyo naman po yung message nyo, it's all about Filipino celebration po. So, ganun. Yun yung experience ko as songwriter po ng kanta. And then yun nga, i-add ko lang na para siyang yung inspiration din po is para sa Mindanao. Parang kasi as you can observe sa music ng meron po doon mga tribe na mga instruments.
Maka-goosebumps ganyang intro.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Kasi may
po.
dynamics ang music nyo ba?
Thank you po.
So Rover, so as the main dancer, unsa may mga advice sa mga aspiring dancers po nga gusto po nga mo pud press nimo?
Ay, gano'n naman. Actually po, hindi ko naman tinatanaw o tinitignan yung sarili ko as a good dancer na talaga. Siyempre, we have a lot of room for improvement. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo, we have a lot of room for improvement. Pero yun lang, sa akin kasi, I'm really enjoying yung every steps and every moves, every events kasi I'm just expressing myself through dancing. Siyempre nga, di ba? Dancing is a type of art, same as singing. So, yun po. Advice ko lang, siyempre, always be humble. Dance to express, not to impress. They will impress. You will make them impress, but bonus na po yun. Pero di ba syempre, mas maganda pag na-express mo yung sarili mo as a dancer than yung being humble ka lang palagi. So, yun lang dapat.
So consistency jud ang answer ko. Dira jud ta magsugod jud ta somewhere before ta mo abot jud sa
Yes.
So matudot kasi lag sayo.
Yes, pwede. Mag-TikTok tayo mamaya. Pwede. Mag-TikTok
Sige,
tayo.
sure. TikTok tayo kaya. So speaking of dances, speaking of your performances, being in the spotlight, you really have to keep up with an incredible energy all throughout your performances. So before mo magsalang sa stage, unsa ba ng mga ritual niyo gini mo? Na ba may warm up, na ba may stretching?
Yung warm up namin ganda sa likod.
Pero kung hindi po namin makakalimutan, before kami mag-perform, dapat nagpe-pray talaga kami.
Yes.
We are nothing po kasi kung hindi binigay ni Lord yung talents na meron din kami. So, kailangan po nandun pa rin si Lord.
Siyempre yun po, stretching, very important stretching po. Then, nagwa-warm up po talaga. And siyempre po, yung before po the performances, yung practices po talaga ng One South is hindi po talaga yung practice lang na parang meron. Kasi kami po ang practice everyday talaga. Dapat talaga ma-muscle memory talaga yung isa. Siyempre para ma-offer talaga namin yung full potential namin as a performer sa mga tao.
That's great to know.
So blending with the being part of the team, naaman jud tay each other's personality, di ba? Ginaunsa man yung pag-handle ang inyong individuality po as a group.
Siyempre po, understanding lang po talaga. Kasi grabe na po siyempre yung una, hindi talaga maiwasan kasi different characteristics, different personalities, siyempre 5 lalaki pa.
Yeah,
So, ang hirap. Pero yun lang, as a leader na very understanding, as a leader na very mag-guide, as a leader na parang nababalance siya po lahat. So, syempre, kami naapektuhan na din na syempre dapat mag-intindihan kami. Syempre, dun kami sa positive side lang.
Syempre kayo mag-uban mo dyan mo kanong all throughout your career.
Oh, yes.
Apo.
So you represented Mindanao with so much pride in the national stage already. Nakadawat na mo Cultural Excellence Award, so P-pop
Thank you
Music
po.
Awards, and naka-perform mo sa GMA and TV5,
Yes.
and many more stages around Mindanao and around the Philippines. So, how does it feel to bring so much pride to Mindanao? Unsay feeling na kamo ang first and the only Mindanao P-pop group na nakadawat ato ng award and the first ever Mindanao P-pop group na naka-perform ato ng stage? How does it feel?
Actually po, before na mag-storya ka na, nag-live.
Huwag kang umiyak Huwag kang umiyak. Actually, dapat po timba.
Kaya man good kay
Bisaya na ka.
Kay kasi yon that time na pinagpe-pray lang talaga namin, manifesting, hard work, tsaka every time na gusto namin na tinitignan lang namin yung ibang P-pop na one day sabi namin na makikita din tayo, magpo-perform tayo dyan. So, sobrang binigay namin yung 100% namin. Before kami nakapunta ng Manila, yung struggles, yung sobrang struggle namin sa wala kaming pera, wala
Yeah.
kaming pagkain, basta makapunta lang at ma-pursue yung dreams tsaka yung goals namin.
Yes.
And that moment na in-invite kami ng P-Pop Music Award kasi nga nag-search sila kung sino daw yung mga P-Pop, mga bagong group dito sa Mindanao. So, na thankful din kami kasi nakita kami that time. So, sabi ni Sir Yowan, hello Sir Yowan.
Yes.
So, sabi ni Sir Yowan, gusto niyang makilala yung One South. So, kami yung kauna-unahang P-Pop group sa Mindanao talaga. So, sobrang masaya kami kasi nakilala kami na kami yung kauna-unahan. So, sobrang malaking pride yun sa amin
Yes.
na i-represent yung Mindanao. Kaya dun sa sounds din na mapapakinggan nyo sa kanta namin is nandun yung mga cultural na mga tunog na hindi pwedeng mawala sa Mindanao na P-pop. So that time, sir, na nandun na kami, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm talaga that moment. Diba, Rob? Nakaka-overwhelm.
Sobra.
Diba?
Kasi diba, mapapalibutan ka ng mga iba't ibang P-pop doon. Ang pupogi pa nila, ang kinis nila, ang tatangkad nila. Mamatangkad naman tayo, diba? Yun lang. Pero kami, syempre, overwhelming siya, pero kami, yung heart namin, yung saya namin na nandun kami mismo sa moment na yun, syempre, hindi talaga namin malilimutan. Kasi before kami yun nga, yung struggles, before kami dumating doon, the mockery, the doubts, na, wait lang, iyak ako. Kasi pero, yun nga, the mockery, the doubts, and all the bashing na tanggap namin, hindi biro yun. Parang lahat ng dun sa amin, hindi sila sinasabi na, yung parang supportive talaga sa una. Like, later na namin na yung recognition na yun. Pero yun, hindi namin siya tinake as negative pa, but ginawa namin siyang positive for us to keep moving, for us to have that fire na ipagpatuloy yung pangarap namin as One South. Yun po.
That's great to know. It really boils down to commitment, passion,
Yeah.
and determination talaga.
Yes.
And we've really seen that in you, and we're so proud of you.
Yes, sir.
So, for
Thank
the
you po.
future of P-Pop, naana mo dito you're there already. To those kids, younger kids, na gusto nila maging P-Pop idols soon, what are your advice to them?
May isa din akong word. Kasi po kami before, like, yun nga po sabi namin, kasi fan po kami ng SB19.
Yes.
So, sobrang kami ng SB19. Like, saludo talaga kami sa kanila. May sinabi kasi si Pinunong Pablo, like, pag walang maniniwala sa iyo, kami ang maniniwala sa inyo. So, ganun din yung gusto namin sabihin sa lahat ng kabataan na taga Mindanao, especially Mindanao, na pag may pangarap ka, patuloy mo lang kasi wala ka namang tinatapakan na tao. Kaya kung walang maniniwala sa iyo, nandito kaming 5 maniniwala sa inyo.
Yeah.
The way for the small artists.
Yeah.
Yes. Basta lang, keep humble lang talaga. And hard work lang dapat. Hard work, pray, kasi lang yan, magfo-flow lang yan. Huwag nating madaliin kasi 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, iba't iba tayo ng timeline sa
Lahat
buhay.
may process.
Maabot.
Merong timing. Kumbaga,
yes,
may perfect
may
timing. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Consistency lang yung secret dyan. Yeah.
Okay, so, my next question, ito yung sinasabi ko na quiz B.
Ayoko na.
Okay na ba? Okay na ako. Wait lang
Ready
guys.
na ba, guys?
Ready na ba kayo?
No, I just want you to prepare one word that you want people to remember when they hear the songs of One South PH.
Oh, nice.
Isa-isa kayo ha.
Sige pa.
You ready?
One word.
Starting from you.
Bold.
Bold. Nice.
Ako maisip.
Wait lang. Wait,
Next.
passer. Iconic.
Iconic.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Parang same resilience yung akin. Pero na lang, siguro unforgettable.
Oh.
Silent unforgettable.
Wala akong sagot. Hindi natin tatapusin to, hindi ka nakakasagot.
Fire.
Fire.
Ulit? Fire.
Yes.
Alright, so before natin i-end ang interview to, hindi ako papayag na hindi kayo magsasample.
Sige.
So we want to hear from you guys. Just a little bit of your song lang. So
Sige.
whenever you're ready.
Hey. One, two, three, go. Hey, hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, sa mga hamon, sa pagsubok ng panahon, pangarap na di natatapos, sa utak natin di nauubos. Pawis dugong puhunan at luha ng kasiyahan, mga matang nag-aalam, hindi sumusuko kahit mahirap. Pusong maraming kwento sa 7,000 pulo, kay sarap na mainig sa bibig ang hiyaw. Isigaw mo, Pilipino, ang ating lakas, yayag sa mundo. Isigaw mo, Pinoy ko, ang ating talento, di ba patalo? Isang dugo lang tayo, di umaatras, di tumatakas, kahit sa lalabanan mo man ang larangan para sa lupang sinilangan. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you po.
And thank you so much once
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much for giving your time, and I hope na we get to see more of you sa stages and soon international stages.
Yeah.
Manifest natin yan.
Nakunod tayo.
So once again guys, please give it up for
Thank you.